want to share about how AI can actually edit your picture, and of course, you don't need any of editing tools or editing skills, image editing tools or skills too. So this is really interesting topics that I want to share with you. And let me introduce you AI. I mean OpenAI. So this website is really, or this project is really interesting, and it game changer for you if you have a project and is related to the AI or the model. So this one is good to choose. And yeah, without further ado, I just want to share how to edit the image or picture without any tools. I mean, editing tools like, um, Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, or Adobe Illustrator, but mostly users image editing is using the Photoshop first. So you don't need that. You only need to open this, openai.com, and click on Docs, and let's see on the left bar here. On the left bar, we're able to see the image generation. Just scroll down a bit. Here in the edits, you can edit and click on it. This is the beta, what do you call it? Beta platform or preview app. They provided a temporary, so you cannot save this project, or you cannot save as project or export it as project. So this is only one time, once as the left time, um, uh, trying, So yeah, let's without further ado. For example, this I want to um find some image or picture that I want to pick to be edited with the AI that we have in OpenAI platform. So for example, this one. This is our game, Gnome Dragon SM, and this is the illustrator. This is the character that we want to be edit. Then we want to edit with the AI. So for example, here, this is my prompt. I want to add some Christmas hat, maybe on top of this character's hat over here, the Christmas hat, or add some animal or monsters over here. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's what do you call it? Upload it. So to upload our image to this platform, you can just click on upload image over here in this icon, and let's find this image. Where is that? Okay, here let's use the lower size of picture, since it will accelerate the AI progress. So let's click on the check mark over here, and that's it. This blue rectangle is gonna be the generation frame. I will talk about this later, but yeah, to add some Christmas tree over here, you need to you need to create masking. How to do that? Okay, let's I want to show you, I want to tell something to you that we need to erase with this tools. Just click on eraser over here, or type of E character on your keyboard. Click on it, and for example, I want to add a Christmas tree, Christmas tree, the Christmas hat on top of this character's head. So we need to measure, or calculate how can we put Christmas hat on top of it. For example, this is the good size of the Christmas tree. probably. And let's select or press V on your keyboard to move. This is generation frame. To move this generation frame, this is the movable one. The movable one, you can basically move this rectangle, blue rectangle, to in front of this masking that we've done before. Like we after we erase this and we mask with this, uh, I don't know. This is a transparent masking. We need to move this generation frame on top of it, like this. So the AI will recognize your mask inside the generation frame that we move on top of it. So that's really simple idea of this generation frame of AI. So this AI will replace or will edit your image or recognize with whatever the model do in on the on the other hood uh under the hood, sorry. And let's do some prompt of here. We can ask a question or uh describe whatever what we want to AI to be generated. For example, a person wear um a Christmas hat. Look, so this is the prompt. Just really simple prompt. The AI will match this prompt with this image, with this generation frame, with this mask, and with the colors and the environment over the illustration over here. It will do the job. Let's generate it. So after we click on generate, it will have a generation or progress bar in the bottom of the generation frame, or the blue rectangle of here. We need to wait for a moment. So that's it. Look at that. We have the result. This is the first result. We have basically four result that we can choose. We can basically experimenting on this platform. So this is the first result. This is really funny. This is not even a Christmas hat if we see, but as you guys see on the screen right now in this illustration that we have is really mixed with the environment. It's really intuitive, and it basically doing pretty good job. And let's see the second one. This is not really good. It's really bright over here. I will skip this, but yeah, this is still have a good position. I mean, he's still on the right position on top of his head. Okay, let's do next. And yeah, this is also good too. Ah, yeah, this is good too. It is pretty small. It's more smaller. And but this is really good one because the color is very mixed with illustration or the background or the model of this illustration. This is really good. I will accept this and download this one to our computer. And let's see. This the first image that we have has 2.8 megabytes. So how's the result? How's the new image generated by the AI have? So 4.6 megabytes. So it basically twice. It increased twice of the size of this image from the actual image. So, but yeah, this is pretty cool, and you can basically experiment what you want. For example, you want to add here monsters, maybe the monsters or alien over this, or maybe dragon. You can experiment what you want. And here, and let's do the prompt. Ask the prompt like a monsters with dragon. Maybe a monsters, a dragon, a black dragon, maybe a black dragon. Black dragon is a monsters, right? So we can generate this. Let's wait for a moment. Just take less than, maybe less than 1 minute. Maybe 20 seconds or 15 seconds, depends on your image size or image complexity. So yeah, this is the result. We don't have anything here, as you can see. Let's oh yeah, we have something here in the third one. Maybe this is a wings of the dragon. I don't know, but yeah, it just looks like that. Looks like the wings of the dragon. But yeah, it's doing a pretty good job here. Yeah. So I want to try once again with another image that I have. Maybe um the Christmas. Maybe this one. This is our game actually, and I want to add it for the Christmas event. So let's upload this image. Genome. Here. Let's upload and let's do something different with another image, with another picture. Let's check this mark. And for example, I want to add some cats or animal over this on the floor. So we need to erase first the masking, and it will recognize that we want, recognize position. Want to add, for example, over here, want to add some cat, and let's move this generation frame and a cat sleeping on the floor. Let's generate this. Let's wait for a moment. And so yeah, let's see if the size, maybe after we generate this and we download this image, let's see the size and compare. Oh, look at that. This is really cool. This is the actually, yeah, it's a little scary, but yeah, this is a cat. Uh, let's do next. Oh, this is a tail of a cat, or maybe a dinosaur. I don't know. So yeah, whatever you imagine for this picture, that's the answer. Yeah, this is pretty uh similar to cat, but wait a second. Yeah, I don't know what is this. Uh, this is good. This is a good one. This is a good one. Yeah, I will choose this and I will accept this one. This is really intuitive one. Look, it has a shadow. Look, it's very interesting. It has a shadow. This is not expecting before. We are expecting that the cat will sleep on the floor, and this is the result. This is a good one. And I want to add some ornament over, or hanging in the Christmas tree too, uh, alongside with this Christmas red ball. Maybe stars or some stars lamp or whatever you choose, whatever you imagine for that. I just I imagine that we need to add some stars ornament. So let's erase this. Boom. Let's erase. Maybe this one is enough. And let's see. A star lamp ornament on the uh, Christmas tree. A star lamp. Yep. Let's generate this. The generation frame is already on top of it or in front of it, in front of the masking that we already done before. Let's wait a moment, 20 seconds, and look at that. This is really good, but this is not what we are expecting for. Like, we need to add maybe more than one ornament over here. But this is only one. Let's skip this. Oh, look at this one. For example, we have a red ball, but it becomes an apple with the leaf on top of it. Yeah, this is really good one. And this is stars. The stars over here hanging. Good. Nice. I will choose this. I will choose this. Look, this is become this ball, the red ball, has become a lamb, the red lamb. And it'll pretty. Ooh, there is a tie. This is a red tie. Maybe I don't know. Yeah, but this is really good. This is really good job. This is really good one. The blue ornament with stars hanging over the tree, the Christmas tree. Let's accept this. And yeah, let's download this. Let's can see if we compare the previous image or the picture that we have. It has 5 MB in size, and now we have 6.7 MB. The image is still good. It has you know a bright from the lamp. I don't know what do you call it, but yeah, it's really good. And this is the cat. The cat has shadow and it is sleeping. It's sleeping on the floor. So that's the interesting topics that I want to share to you guys at this video. Maybe I want to add some video after this one because not only image, we can improve maybe tax AI or completion. You can basically open this openai.com. You can experiment whatever you need here. You can choose the models that you want. You can find some uh, suitable model for your projects or something. Completions, image editing, embeddings, one hot encoding. You can actually experiment with the files too, or maybe this is only finding a file from the internet. I don't know. You can also fine tune. So for example, you have that your own data set. You can import a data set and let the AI tune it to the models. So it will pretty much more more specific on the specific topic based on your data set. It will adjust it, become a new model for your AI. So yeah, that's it. The moderation to, for example, we have a community here, and it will basically doing a moderation job. Like for example, here I want to show you a little bit the moderation rate. We can actually create a moderation rate, for example, to handle the community, to handle a violence of the guidelines of our community. So yeah, that's really interesting topics too. So that's it. Thanks for watching. This is really a long video, but I really enjoyed it so much because it's a really good topic to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching.